Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Thursday, June 21st, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by $4.75 to $27.67 per contract. All in all, we did have a little bit of a low spike here overnight around 5 o'clock in the morning. You can see the markets have come up off of the worst levels, but we'll see what we get today. It's been a very choppy week, to say the least. So again, we'll see what these markets have in store. Today is the start of summer, and we'll see if that holds any weight there as well. All right, let's get right into the charts in the news. We're going to start off with a big one today. That's Micron. Micron today trading higher after earnings. Stock closed yesterday at $58.95. It is now trading at $61.40. So great little pop there from Micron. We'll see if it holds up once the opening bell rings. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, really there's not a lot to do here. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see if there's some type of intraday pattern that develops. But Micron will give a lift to the semiconductors. All you have to do is look at the SMH, and you'll see that right now is trading at around 108.82. Not a lot of volume there, but nonetheless it is still higher by about 50 cents. Also watch Western Digital today. Sometimes that has a tendency to trade in sympathy to Micron, and that is trading up on the session. So that closed at $80.22. That is now trading at $81.78. You might want to take a look at Intel, INTC. That's hanging in there okay at the moment. Seagate, STX. Sometimes that will trade up there as well. That's trading at around $58.05. So you get the idea here. We'll watch a bunch of different equities. Let's take a look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA is another semi-play. That right now is trading at $262.35, basically right where it closed. So again, we'll watch these semis once the market opens, but Micron is the leader of the pack today. All right, let's take a look at Kroger. Big grocery store chain. Right now, this stock is getting a big bid after earnings. It closed at $26.18, now trading at $28.76. So great move there. There's still a ton of resistance around $30 if Kroger gets up there. So again, keep that on the radar today. Around $30, Kroger has big resistance in play, but this is a nice move for this stock. Let's take a look at Darden Restaurants. DRI is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $104.50, closed at $93.27. So great move up for Darden. This is a little bit overbought at this level. You can see this thing briefly traded above 106. Now it is pulling back ever so slightly. So great move for Darden nonetheless. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would not be a buyer up here yet. I do think you have just an overbought condition in play, so be a little bit careful with that. Let's take a look at AOBC, which is American Outdoor Brands, the old Smith & Wesson. This is trading at $12.19. It closed at $13.23. I don't see much to do here. This stock could have a good level if it traded down as low as $11 and maybe 35 cents or so, somewhere around there. That might be worth a shot. I just don't know what kind of bounce we'll get. The stock is now, basically almost a single-digit stock. It's barely above 10. So we'll see how it plays out, and we'll see what it gives us. Nike in the news today. This is getting a downgrade today. So this is downgraded this morning. Stock right now is trading at $73.97, closed at $74.72. So you got a little down ticking there in Nike. Sticking with downgrades today, you have Corning, GLW. Also, I believe, that's an upgrade, excuse me. Corning getting upgraded. So GLW on an upgrade here. Stock is trading at $28.80, closed at $28.39. And then we have LITE, which is Lumentum, and this is getting, I believe, an upgrade as well. So this closed at $56.50, now trading at $58.60. So there you have it. We've got some upgrades and downgrades out here. We also have some stocks in the news, and we'll see how this all plays out. We have one more? All right, excellent. Let's take a look at PDCO. This is Patterson Companies. They reported earnings, it looks like. Stock traded up. Now it is starting to fade back down. It's still higher from its close, which was $22.53. Right now it's trading at $23.50. I don't see much to do here either way. at the moment, but something we could look at once the opening bell rings. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is getting roasted again. GLD right now trading down, gold futures trading down 7 points to $1,267.50 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, that's trading at 119.92. So gold again retreating. That usually tells us a dollar is up, but that is not the case this morning. The dollar is not up. The dollar is actually down, getting a little bit of a bid, but again, gold just remains very, very weak. Crude oil is also lower today by 70 cents to $65 a barrel. So if you take a look at crude oil, that is weaker today. Let's go to the USO, which is a good ETF. Track the movement in crude. You'll see that's trading at $13.18, down from $13.28 at the close yesterday. So there you have it. Yesterday, another solid day in the intraday stock chat room. We traded Starbucks. We also traded Oracle. Again, some nice winners in the books. If you haven't done so this year, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. It's been a great 2018, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. With that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you all on the charts.